So now I'm on class 466034 on the way to Hither Green. Enjoy the video. She's brave, getting off now. Very brave. But you have to be quick. So I believe these are 25 years old, or around 25 years old these are, or 26. So these will probably be replaced soon by new trains, but I don't know the date yet. And they have the old motor sound, which I actually love. A bit squeaky, but it's expected. And I remember these on the Sheerness branch. When it used to, I think it was Kemsley, Swale, Greenborough and Sheerness-on-Sea, I believe. And before COVID, I remember taking a -9 all the way from Victoria to Sheerness-on-Sea. But that service has since been scrapped altogether due to low passenger numbers. So you need to change at Sittingbourne now if you want to go to Sheerness-on-Sea. That's A375, but it's not the ex-Southern. That's not in this branch.
Arriving at Hither Green. Find the gap between the platform and the train.